Hello friends, today we're going to discuss about how to apply visa for Ireland, mainly dealing about visiting visa application, that is short stay visa in this video. Online visa application process is very simple. Mainly you have to focus on visiting visa application. Second one is your supporting document, and third one is submission of your application to VFS. If you are from UK, you can directly go to VFS to submit your applications. To begin the application, you have to go to Ireland Visiting Visa Application website. You can select on your appropriate embassy. Now we are showing an example of embassy in UK. So there are some VFS appointment center that accept Irish visa application, which in UK, which is London, Manchester, Birmingham, Edinburgh and Cardiff. And there is times as well. You can directly visit this visiting application visa centers to submit your applications. No need for prior appointment for Ireland visa application. Now you can see different types of visa that include short stay visa and long term visa. Short term visa is like your tourist visa, visiting families, etc. So there are some fees for Ireland visa application. However, if you are a citizen of India who hold Indian passport, visa application fees is totally free, but you have to pay the processing fees for VFS. Processing time for each visa application varies. Visiting visa, it will take 30 working days. Business visa 15 working days. Employment 30 working days. Study 13 working days extra. There are some strict conditions that if you refused any of the visa in last 5 years, you have to strictly give the details in your application. If they found your application is like a fraud or in false informations, it will be rejected directly. To begin application, click the link of the website which shows visa application form. It will reach a new website, and here is like check whether you need visa, apply now, retry application, frequently asked questions, terms and condition extra. When you're ready, you can continue to go to the next stage that you can apply for your visa. Make sure your passport details and other details is ready to enter the application form. When you click on the next button, so it's online visa or pre-clearance application, there are some before your place, there are some conditions extra there. You can read them. Mainly it is asking for your passport details, your previous passports, your sponsor details or family details who are in Ireland, then emergency contact details, etc. When you're ready, you can click acknowledge that you've read all this necessary information and continue for the next stage. In this page, mainly we are giving the details of the visiting visa application. First is your country of nationality. Here I'm going to enter India. You can scroll and select an appropriate. What is the reason for travel? So here visit tourist, or you can put visit family, etc. So the type of visa, short stay or long stay, we are applying to short stay visa. So you click on short stay. Journey type single. If you apply for single visa, so it will, you can travel only one time in and out. But if you click on multiple, so you can travel for the next 6 months, you'll get validity. You can travel anytime in, like in and out. Purpose of your travel, you can put visiting family members, and your passport type is a national passport, and your passport travel document number, date of issue and date of expiry. Next page is about your surname, forename, other name if you have any other known name, date of birth, gender, male or female, country of birth, current location, current address. You have to give the current address there, and contact number and email address. Make sure the contact number and email address is correct. Next page is about length of stay in present country. If you're applying from UK, you can put the length of stay, how long you are been in this country. Do you have permission to return to that country after you stay in Ireland? Yes or no. Have you applied for an Irish visa or pre-clearance before? Have you been ever issued with an Irish visa pre-clearance before? Please provide a location or transaction number if you have a previous issue visa from Ireland. If you have any refusal before, you have to give the details, which is important. Have you ever been in Ireland before? Yes or no. Do you have any family members living in Ireland? Yes or no. Have you ever had refused permission to enter Ireland before? Yes or no. Have you ever been notified of deportation order to leave Ireland? Yes or no. Have you ever been refused a visa to another country? Have you ever been refused entry to depart from or state permission in or where otherwise required to leave any country? Yes or no. You have to correctly click whichever is applicable for you, and if so, you have to give the details. Have you have any criminal offense? You have to give the details there. Now you have to give your passport details again, date of issue and expiry date. Is this your first passport? Yes, otherwise no. If it is no, you have to give your previous passport details there. Make sure the name and the travel document number should match the submission document as well. Next page is about your employment. Are you currently employed in your country of residence? If so, you have to give the details of your current employer address, duration of employment, etc. If you are traveling with any other person, you have to give their name. For example, if your spouse or children traveling with you, you have to give the details there. For Ireland visa application, you can't add people one after another. We have to create a different application for each applicant. Next is about the contact details in Ireland. This is mainly about where you actually stays in Ireland. If you're traveling as a visiting, maybe it's a hotel address, or if you're traveling to a family to visit, you have to give the family address, or wherever they're asking for where you actually stays during that your visit, you have to give the details. You have any persons in personally known to you in Ireland, you have to give their name, details and relationship, date of birth and email, which is not mandatory, but whoever is there is an asterisk, you have to give the details. Next is about the personal status, then children's detail you have to give. It will automatically create a transaction number there. Next is about, do you receive any assistance in completing this form? You can put yes, otherwise no, like an agency or not. This is all about actual the visa application. After that, you're doing a declaration that all that information you given is correct and accurate. If anything incorrect they found, they will directly reject the visa. By clicking the agree below, you're going to submit to the next page. Next is about that summary of your whole applications. Make sure that you checked everything before doing the submission button. Otherwise, if it is submitted, if you found later that something is error, you have to create this application again. I hope you understood this video, which is very easy. If you wish to travel to Ireland from UK, if you're holding an Indian passport, it's totally free, as I said, but you have to pay a processing charge, processing fees for VFS, which is around £75 per person's. For VFS application submission, you need your printed and signed application summary sheet, original passport, passport sized color photograph, evidence of payment of the visa fee. If you're exempt, that's Indian passport holder is exempt from visa fee, supporting documents for the relevant visa category. All supporting document must be in English or accompanied by a notarized translation. So if it is not English, make sure that it is notarized by an authorized person, and you can track your progress in this page as well. You can go to this page again and put your application reference number, date of birth and passport details. Then you can track this application. Usually take 30 working days. You have to submit your passport and the visa will be printed in the passport. Hope this video find easy to apply for Ireland visa application. I hope you enjoyed. Please subscribe our channel to support us. Thank you so much for watching today's video. See you on another video. Thank you. Bye bye.